What are we doing next, Father? What are we doing next? Huh? What are we doing next? Why the heck are you here? I'm scared of what's happening next. I am so terrified. I am absolutely terrified of what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen, and I'm terrified. Get ready for loud noises, I'm sorry. Oh, it's a little fountain. It's nothing. It's so tiny. Why is it so tiny? Why was I so afraid of it? Oh, that was awesome. Did I swear if it goes, I'm gonna freak out. Yeah, I think there's nothing interesting. Never mind. Holy crap! I can't. I'm